There's an old dog in Angelville named Buck, who's very good at making woolen hats. Legend has it that wearing a beautiful hat in Angelville will attract the angels.
Welcome to Buck's hat.
Which one to use?
Wow, this one! Hey, don't touch it!
Sorry, Mr. Buck. I want to
Even
make the
so,
warmest hat in the
don't
world
touch
for
it.
Master. I'm just afraid she'll leave me. Susie.
Wait!
Susie?
Buck,